Good evening, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn some aspects of problems on trains, which are generally we are facing in competitive examinations. Even in our 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, some of the questions we have already solved. But as due to lack of practice afterwards, we face problem on solving this type of questions during competitive examinations. So today I will be clarifying the concepts behind solving questions on trains with the help of 3 example questions. Today itself I will not be covering complete aspects, but yes, of course, to some extent I will be able to give knowledge to you that how to solve questions given with respect to trains. So these are the questions which pupil they would be facing during their competitive exams, and so let us solve this question. So a question is there: a train running at the speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. So what is the requirement? The requirement is first to have a glance completely on question and then go for solving it. So a train running at the speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? We need to find the length of the train. So what we'll be doing now? So we know some of the basic concepts, that is speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So we will be utilizing this concept. Also, if kilometer per hour is there and we want to convert it into meter per second, then we have to multiply with 5 by 18 meter per second. Similarly, if we are given in meter per second and we need to convert it into kilometer per hour, then it will be 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So why I am saying all these things? Because speed is generally given in kilometer per hour, time is given in second, here distance is also in meter, or length of the train is in meter. So we need to convert very frequently here from kilometer per hour to meter per second, or from meter per second to kilometer per hour. So at that particular point of time, we will be utilizing this conversion chart. Fine. Now let us solve the question. So train is running at the speed of 60 km per hour. So 60 km per hour. If we will be converting it into meter per second, certainly we have to convert. So it will become 5 by 18 meter per second. So now if we will be changing it, so 6, 3, 18 and 6, 10, 60. So it will become 50 by 3 meter per second. Right? Okay, time taken to cross a pole. If there is a pole and the train, suppose this is a pole and the train is crossing, suppose this is the train crossing the pole. So it takes complete 9 seconds to cross that pole. It means it is crossing its own length. It is crossing its own length, and that only we are going to find out. So we know that from this speed is equal to distance by time. So here distance is length only. So we can say that distance is equal to length of the train. So this one will be equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Now speed is 50 by 3 and time is given 9 seconds. So this 3 we can cancel it and it will be in meters. So 50 into 3, 150 meters will be the answer. 150 meters. Let us go to another question. Right. Same concept is there which we have already solved in previous. We are going to solve question number 2. Here we are given length of the train. Length of the train is equal to 125 meter. We are given speed of the man. Speed of the man. So this will be 5 kilometer per hour. And we are given time taken by the train to cross the man. So this is equal to 10 seconds. So suppose the man is here, he is running at the speed of 5 kilometer per hour. The train is also moving in the same direction. Okay. Okay, the train is also moving in the same direction with 5 kilometer per hour. That man is running at 5 kilometer per hour, train is running in the same direction. We can take it as v kilometer per hour. So we know that speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. So here actually two things are there which are moving. Two moving objects are there. One is man and another one is train. So in this case we need to find relative speed. And we know that when the both are moving in the same direction, their relative speed will be, when we want to have relative speed, their speed will get subtracted. So from the we can say that higher speed to lower speed. So we can say relative speed of the train with respect to the man. Relative speed of the train with respect to man. So it will be equal to v, which is the speed of the train, minus speed of the man. As it is given in kilometer per hour, we need to convert it into meter per second. 5 by 18. So now it is converted into meter per second, whereas v is in kilometer per hour only. V is in kilometer per hour only. But the total we are converting it into meter per second because other dimensions, length of the train, time and time is given in seconds. Length of the train is given in meter. So it will be v minus 5 into 5 by 18 is equal to, distance is 125, that is the length of the train, 125 meter, and the time taken is 10 seconds. Now we can very wisely cancel most of the common terms, which will make our task very easy, calculations are easy, and due to which we will be able to solve it in less time. Here I am writing each and every sentence, whereas in the competitive examinations one is not required to write any type of sentence. Directly this formula can be written and in this particular step one can reach. So 5, 25 and here 2, 9, 2, 5, then 5, 5 will cancel it as 5. So we will be getting v minus 5, that is 9 into 5, 45. Okay. So it is actually kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So v is equal to 45 plus 5, that is 50 kilometer per hour. So this 50 kilometer per hour will be the answer. We'll go to next question. Now, the length of the bridge which a train 130 meters long. So length of the train is 130 meters. Length of the bridge is not given to us, we need to find. So length of the bridge we need to find. Suppose it is x meter, right? The train is traveling at, so speed of train 45 kilometer per hour. It is given that the train can cross the bridge in 30 seconds. So time taken by the train to cross the bridge is equal to 10, sorry, not 10 seconds, it is 30 seconds, right? So suppose we say that this is a bridge. This is a bridge. And now the train is coming from this side. This is train. It has to cross the bridge, right? Okay. So time taken 30 seconds is means when the train will come to this place, means it is crossing that bridge. It means time taken by the train to cross not only its length but also the bridge length. So bridge length, total distance, actually it will be the bridge length plus train length is the total distance covered. Is the total distance covered, and that time is actually 30 seconds. That time is 30 seconds. So here again the same formula, speed is equal to distance by time, we will be utilizing. So speed is given 45 kilometer per hour. So 45 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Now it is converted into meter per second, is equal to distance is how much? 130 plus x. And how much time it is taken? So 30 seconds. Right? 30 seconds. And now we will go for cancelling of common terms. So we can say that here 30 we will be cancelling with 6. So 6 5 ja 30 and 6 3 ja 18. Okay. So 6 5 ja 30 and 6 3 ja 18. So now we will be going for 45 into 5 into 5, and this one will become 3 into 130 plus x. Okay. So we are solving it now. So let us solve it. 40 into 5 200 and 225, 225 it will be 45 into 5 225, right, into 5 again, and this side 3 into 130 plus x. So now with 3 this we can cancel. 225 is divisible by 3. So 3 7 ja 21 and 3 5 15. So this has become 70 into 5 350, 350 plus 25 375 is equal to 130 plus x, and this is giving to us as x is equal to 375 minus 130. So this is 5 4 and 2. So 245 meter, we got what? 245 meter is the length of the bridge. It is the length of the bridge, 245 meters. So in this way we saw that how we have solved the questions related to train. So here we have solved only 3 questions, and in next video we will be solving some more questions. So I hope that those who are watching this video, they would have got a very good clarity on this problems on trains. Some more are there. Slowly it will be becoming little bit more complex, but the concept is same. So thank you very much. We will meet in next video.